Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. So you watched me unbox a Sony Bluetooth headphone before, but this time the bougier version. This is 3 times the price. So yeah, let's get into the video. This is Sony's brand new noise canceling headphones, and they're literally always sold out. It was so hard to get a hold of them, but my boyfriend did it and he got them, so let's open them. Also, we run into the same problem with Sony. It only comes in gray or black. Not even a white. I'm gonna lose it. Like, I'm already upset you don't offer me rose gold, but like, not even offering me a simple white? Sis, no. I know this is like the most shallow part, but like, you want your headphones to look good when you're wearing them, you know what I mean? So here I have the gray ones, so we'll see how they look, and we could even compare them to my old ones from the previous video. First, we're gonna unbox it, and then I'm gonna tell you all about these headphones. Someone once commented on my video that I didn't like unwrap this correctly, and they got upset at me because it wasn't like aesthetic or or not ASMR enough, so
play with the plastic a little.
I'm so sorry. Hold up. That was not good. I'm sorry, I can't ASMR. I know I always talk about packaging, but this box feels so nice. Like, I always notice that, and that's the weirdest thing to notice, but I guess if you're paying $350, they're gonna improve the box. I don't know, I would assume as much. So here they are. Oh, and they have Google Assistant. Okay, so it says that they're 30 hours Bluetooth, obviously, wireless and noise canceling, and the noise canceling is supposed to be way more advanced than the previous headphones. And also it's a quick 10-minute charge, and it plays up to 5 hours. And I can tell you with my headphones, 10 minutes of charge gives you 5 hours, but if you charge them all the way for much longer, they could last much longer. These are my old ones, and they literally last me like 5-6 days. I mean, I would say I use them for like 2 hours a day or 3 hours a day, and so this is insane. I barely ever charge these, and they work for me. They're amazing. And it comes with a carrying case, so we'll see what's going on here. Same apps like Headphones Connect, where you could change the levels of the music and like put more, like you could choose to add more bass or more treble or like a chiller vibe. And you could also adjust the noise canceling, which is not an option in these headphones. In the older headphones, there is just one noise canceling button. Here it is adjustable, and you could change it to ambient noise canceling, which is like if you're walking in the street and you want to not hear everyone, but you need to hear like things just a little bit so that you're not in danger, I guess. Like, so like, I don't know, like if you hear someone yelling, I guess you could hear that, but like that's really weird. Like, that's really cool and really weird. All right, so this is how it comes, and I love the sleek black packaging. Like, all right. And so first it tells you to download the app, and then second it's power on your headphones and connect via the app. Oh, so you lift it, and here is the case. Oh, they give you Google Assistant instructions too. Why is this so big? This is just so much. They have a left and right button. Like, you're gonna go over all of it? No. Also, I guess it's kind of touchscreen in a way, because on the headphone you could just slide up to increase the volume. You could slide this way to go to the next song, slide this way to go back, and slide down to lower volume. How insane is that? Hold on. Also, if someone comes up to you and wants to talk to you while you have your headphones on, you could just take your hand in a cup and put it over the right headphone, and then it'll just lower the volume and the noise canceling. And also you could tap 2 times to pause the song, which is insane. You could tap the right 2 times to answer a call and then tap 2 times to decline a call. Wait, how does it even work? I really don't even understand how that works, if it's the same. Okay. Anyways, so you have this great case, and it has a mesh thing, which I appreciate because sometimes you can put like cords in it and stuff, which is nice. I appreciate it. And yeah. Okay. First things first, they're a lot prettier than mine. First things first. So here they are. They're so much prettier than mine. They're like remember how I always drop something in every one of my videos. Remember how I spoke about how this is an ugly gray? Like the only options were gray and black and it was an ugly gray. This is a nice gray. Okay, maybe they saw my video and listened to me. Or maybe they're just using common knowledge. Okay, it's fine. So here there are the 3 compartments, or why is this separated into 3? Okay, there's 3 compartments, and they're a nice light gray. So there's like a little pocket for the cables, which is really convenient because it's like organized. So this is like if you don't want it to be Bluetooth, and this is to charge, and it's like conveniently placed here. And there's something else really teeny tiny in here. And they give you a plug adapter for in-flight. Use. And here it just shows you like a diagram of like the buttons and what to use. They're a lot smoother than mine. They're a lot smoother than these, and they're a lot less clunky. Like these are they are so less clunky than these. This one is lighter and it's just smoother than this one. This one's super clunky and big, while this one is just so much, it's cushionier. Even this is like softer. That's what they look like. And they're just like, the rotation's easier. It's just a lot smoother. Like, okay, I get it now. Like I get the price difference. They're a lot better quality. And also like, they're this metallic gray silver, which is really lovely, which I'm like, okay, like finally, like you're giving me something. You could see with mine, there's not as much, and here there's more. The biggest goal with these were just to make sure that they were comfortable for long use. They're just so much, they just look more modern and nice, and they feel nicer. Noise canceling / ambient button, they have the power button, which is so much smaller and nicer. I like how they changed the button sizes, because here they're really clunky and big and unnecessary, but here it's like a one little nice click versus like that. Overall, these are really pretty, a lot of new features. And if you have the money and you always use Bluetooth headphones, then I think this is worth it. If you want to know more about them, you can comment down below and request a review. I like to do reviews only if like people want it, because like I'm always not sure. You know what I mean? Like I just never know. So let me know what you want to see from me, and if you want a review, and just if you like the video, like let me know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Alright, bye guys. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything else is very, very girly. So yeah, come through. So we are in my college apartment right now, and I am so excited because today we'll be doing another video with Rue21. My heart, my soul, my love. Love Rue21 so much, and they have challenged me yet again. If you haven't seen my first video with Rue21, we did an outfit challenge video, and the link will be down in the description below. But right now, we will be doing the 5 presents for $75 challenge. I'm gonna have to be able to find 5 great presents all under $75. And if you don't know Rue21, they are a fashionable online company, and they sell like literally everything, and they're really affordable, so this shouldn't be too hard. But like making presents, like finding like good things for presents for people, that's gonna be a little bit difficult. So we're gonna see right now how I do. So I'm gonna do a couple general gifts, and definitely a gift for my boyfriend. So we'll find some stuff for boys and a gift for my sister. So yeah, let me look at intimates and sleep. That'll be like a cute present, right? I think so. Like cute pajamas.